I know what you're thinking. Bump stops. Well, kind of. These are bump stops, but these are a different kind of bump stops. These are made by SuperSprings. They call them their Sumo Springs. And the difference between these and a regular bump stop is most bump stops you'll see, whether it be a stock, solid rubber one, or something that comes with an aftermarket lift kit, that's going to be a solid polyurethane. These are micro-cellular urethane. Micro-cellular, meaning that they're full of millions of tiny little bubbles in here, and that's going to give this bump stop a little bit more squish. Matter of fact, a little bit more squish enough that SuperSprings call these a spring. They call these an airless air spring. What does that mean to you? That means that as you're hammering down the trail, hey, you're playing Iron Man Stewart, you're having fun, and you're bouncing off your bump stops, instead of that hard hit that you're going to get with a solid urethane or a solid rubber, these are actually going to give you a little bit of give. Definitely a lot more cush when you do hit your bump stops. What do we think of them? Well, we think we should get them into a Jeep and give them a try. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Let's go. Now the rears are really easy to get out. We're just going to grab them and pull them out. Toss that aside. Now we just want to pop this guy in. But the best thing we can do is throw something in there, make it a little bit easier. All right, so here I'm just using a little simple green, but any soapy mixture would work. Push up. Now we can use a screwdriver just to help work the flange in up behind the little tabs. There we go. And that's it. The new rear bump stop is installed. Now we got to move to the front. It's a little more involved. We're going to show you how to do it. As I said, the front is just a little more complicated. The new Sumo Spring bump stop is going to go inside the coil here to replace this bump stop. To do so, we got to pull the coil. Of course, to pull the coil, we got to pull a lot of other stuff. Grab a hold and pull. You'll also want to disconnect the vent line. On this Jeep here, because of the lift, we extended the vent line, and so we'll actually separate it up here at the junction. If you notice, we already removed the track bar bolt. We did that while the Jeep's on the ground. It's easiest to do when the Jeep's at static height. Lowering the front axle. Now, if you're doing this at home in your driveway, you'd use jack stands under the frame and your floor jack under the axle to lift and lower the axle. Sumo bump stop goes up from the bottom and then a bolt drops down in. Now, before we install that, we need to put some blue on it. SuperSprings includes this nifty little tube of blue, but this is more throw in your toolbox to carry with you out on the trail. Because if you work on your rig much, you've got a tube of Loctite 248 medium blue. We throw a little bit on the bolt threads, Drop the bolt and washer down from the top. It's hanging down. This guy comes in from the top. Okay, the Sumo bump stops by SuperSprings are installed in the Jeep. They're ready to get out and tested. We can't wait to get them on the trail to see what we think. Now, we've also got the wheels and tires on. They are torqued. We've gone through all our nuts and bolts up front. They're torqued also. Did you remember to put the track bar bolt